The Methow River is a tributary of the Columbia River in northern Washington in the United States. The river's 1,890 square mile watershed drains the eastern North Cascades, with a population of about 5,000 people. The Methows watershed is characterized by relatively pristine habitats, as much of the river basin is located in national forests and wildernesses. Many tributaries drain the large Pasayten Wilderness. An earlier economy based on agriculture is giving way to one based on recreation and tourism. History. The river was named after the Methow Native Americans. The name Methow comes from the Okanagan place name Metxu, meaning sunflower. The Native American name for the river was Mauch, meaning Salmon Falls River. In 1841, the Wilkes expedition named the river Barrier River. Alexander Ross said the native name was Mauch. In 1811, David Thompson met the tribe living along the river and wrote the name as Smithio. In 1853, George Gibbs called the river Methow a barrier course. The Methow River, along with its tributaries the Twist River, Cedar Creek, and Early Winters Creek, originates in a cluster of high mountains, including Golden Horn, Tower Mountain, Cutthroat Peak, Snagtooth Ridge, Kangaroo Ridge, Early Winter Spires, and Liberty Bell Mountain. Several mountain passes are associated with the Methow River and its tributaries, such as Methow Pass and Twist Pass. State Route 20 utilizes Washington Pass and Rainy Pass, also in the general areas of headwater streams. The Pacific Crest Trail follows the uppermost reach of the Methow River until the river turns east, flowing into the Methow Valley near Missoula. Along the way, it collects the tributary streams of Robinson Creek and Lost River. In the Methow Valley, between Missoula and Winthrop, the Methow River is joined by Early Winters Creek, Cedar Creek, Goat Creek, and Wolf Creek. The Chouach River joins at Winthrop, one of the Methow's larger tributaries. The Chouach River and its many tributaries drain large parts of the Pasayten Wilderness to the north. One of its headwater streams, Cathedral Creek, reaches nearly to British Columbia, Canada. The Methow Valley continues below Winthrop to Twisp, where the Methow River is joined by another important tributary, the Twisp River. Flowing from the west, the Twisp River drains the mountains south of Washington Pass as well as the eastern slopes of Sawtooth Ridge, a major mountain range with some of Washington state's highest peaks. Downriver from Twisp, the Methow River passes by the communities of Carlton and Methow, receiving several minor tributaries, before joining the Columbia River at Pateros. This part of the Columbia is the impoundment of Wells Dam, a lake known as Lake Pateros. Ecology and conservation. Since 2007, the Methow Beaver Project has translocated over 240 problem beaver into 51 suitable sites in various headwater tributaries of the Methow watershed. The sites were selected using satellite imagery and computer modeling. Translocation success was optimized by putting pairs of beavers together in man-made lodges that tended to keep them in the desired sites so that the beaver ponds would store rainwater, trap sediment and repair channel incision, erosion, serve as nurseries for salmonids and other species, and act as fire breaks in the fire-prone eastern Cascades. One beaver that was pit-tagged and released in the upper part of the Methow Valley swam to the mouth of the Methow River, then up the Okanagan River almost to the Canada-US border, a journey of 120 miles. The Methow Beaver Project is a partnership between the U.S. Forest Service, the Washington Department of Fish and Wildlife, and the Methow Salmon Recovery Foundation. Beaver were nearly exterminated in the Methow watershed by the early 1900s by fur trappers.